Biofuel is the term by which any type of fuel that derives from biomass, recently living organisms, or their metabolic waste, such as cow dung, is called. Fuels of biological origin can replace part of their consumption in traditional fossil fuels, such as oil and coal. In Argentina and Brazil, large tracts of native forests are being destroyed daily for the planting of soybeans and corn, which will be destined for the production of biofuels, in addition to food. This contributes to the phenomenon of climate change and desertification of soils. The most used and developed biofuels are bioethanol and biodiesel.
Types of biofuel. Bioethanol, also called biomass ethanol, is obtained from corn, sugar, cane, or beet. Biodiesel is manufactured from vegetable oil, which can be used or unused in the light scarce rats, canola, soybeans, or hearthrug are usually used which are cultivated for this purpose. Rice and biofuels. The use of rice husk as a raw material for bioethanol is especially interesting in rice countries, where it is produced in large quantities. Rice, since it has a high content of cellulose and hemicellulose, rice husk could also be used in a biofuel ethanol production process. India and China are two of the major rice countries that could benefit from the use of rice husk as a raw material to produce bioethanol, as they are countries where economic growth and energy demand are increasing rapidly.
Advantage: the cost of biofuels will be less than gasoline. The cost of raw materials will be virtually nil when it comes to waste. Production processes are more efficient, consume and pollute less. It is a source that is much less limited than fossil fuels, which take thousands of years to generate. The amount of garbage decreases as much of it can be used in production of these biofuels.
Disadvantages. Rice biofuel provide less energy than fossil fuel at equal amount. So much more raw material is needed to match these energy levels. Some authors consider that the use of cultivation field for plant species destined for biofuel brings into play the fields of cultivation for human food, making their price rise.